Tesla shareholders approved a historic pay package for CEO Elon Musk and agreed to relocate the company's legal headquarters to Texas.
Do you also want to create news channel videos like this? So, you don't need to worry anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI-powered news channel that can earn thousands of dollars monthly. Sounds exciting, right? Let's get started. First, go to your browser and type Vidna's AI. Click on the first website, and then we will reach the Vidna's homepage. To use Vidna's, you will need to sign up. You can sign up using your email, and you can also sign up by continuing with Google. You have successfully signed up. This is the Vidna's AI homepage. It has many features that you can use to create videos on different styles and topics. It includes talking avatars and talking photos, making it an amazing tool. For now, let's just talk about news videos. You will find different templates for creating news videos. You can choose any template according to your preference. I am choosing this template and clicking on Use this template. Now, we need to edit this template according to our news. We need to provide the news here. You don't need to worry about where to get the news from. I will also guide you on that method. Go to Google and type BBC. Click on the first link, and you will be taken to the BBC News homepage. You will find all kinds of news here. I want to focus on tech-related news, so I will click on Innovation first, then on Technology. Now, you will see all the tech-related news. I am selecting this news. Now, copy this news and go to ChatGPT, then paste it there. Before the text, type rewrite and shorten this, and then click enter. The result is in front of you. Now, copy the text. Let's go back to Vidna's. Here, you will paste your text. Here, you can select different voices, including male and female. In addition to multiple free voices, there are also paid voices available. You can see subtitles on the screen. We can turn it on or off. I am turning the subtitles off. Next, you can see breaking news displayed on the screen. Let's change that as well. Select all the text and clear it. Then go to BBC, copy the main title of the news, and go back to Vidna's and paste it here. Adjust the text size and change the fonts according to your preference. You can also change the newscaster. You will see multiple avatars. You can choose the one that you like the most according to your preference. Next, you can see an image on the screen. Let's change this image according to our news. You can search for images here, but we need an image of Elon Musk. So, let's go to Google, type Elon Musk images, and download an image. Then, come back to Vidna's, click on Upload Image, and upload the image we downloaded. Now we can adjust the image according to the box, easily crop it, and even change the background of the image. You can set animations. Moreover, you can further edit as you like. On the left side, you can see 3 scenes. So far, we have been editing scene 1. Now, let's edit scene 2. You can work on multiple scenes and add new scenes as well. You can show different news in each scene. Let's copy the news again and paste it here. Change the news title. Now, let's change its background image. Search for a background image that suits our news. Our editing for scene 2 is almost complete. Besides this, you can use different text styles, shapes, different backgrounds, and beautiful stickers. By using all these elements, you can create a very good and attractive video. Now that editing is complete, click on Generate Video. waiting for the video to generate. Now that the video has been successfully generated, you can preview it here and download it. Click on Download. The video has been successfully downloaded. Open the download folder, then open the video and see the result.
Tesla shareholders approved a historic pay package for CEO Elon Musk and agreed to relocate the company's legal headquarters to Texas, overturning a previous court block in Delaware. The payout, potentially reaching $56 billion.
The package exceeds the earnings of the highest-paid U.S. CEO last year by over 300 times and surpasses the average CEO's compensation by more than 3,000 times.
Create your own AI-powered news channel with Vidna's AI. Start monetizing your passion for news today. Click the link in the description to explore Vidna's AI's free features and templates. Subscribe for more AI tutorials and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.